President, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, who entrusted the chartered accountants with the grave responsibility of safeguarding the common man from money grabbers and opportunists. The Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, globally the second largest accounting body and one of the unique organizations with its activities encompassing each and every sphere of our valued profession. It was established even before our country adopted its constitution. The work and accomplishments of our seniors have equated our profession with the motto of being a person who is awake in those that sleep. Why do you need a chartered accountant? Let's analyze it from the point of view of a common man. If you do a business, you have to pay the professional tax. Selling goods, then you have to pay the sales tax. Profit bhi hai, to income tax bhi bharna padega. You also manufacture goods. Then comes the excise duty. You give and take services. Then comes the service tax. Got a big amount on birthday, then pay the gift tax. There are so many of taxes. And on all of these, you have to pay the educational, the additional educational, and the surcharge. And yes, the government is now planning to adopt a new taxation, the funeral tax. Jokes apart, going with the words of the great Mr. Albert Einstein, the hardest thing in the world to understand is the taxes. And as per